everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 539 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today, I'm trying out another Emani Cosmetics product here. This is the Bye Bye Shine Pressed Powder. So this is a translucent powder and it's 100% vegan, which is what Emani Cosmetics is all about. It's a vegan cosmetics brand and it's also made in the USA, toxin-free, recycled, organic, and cruelty-free. And so they sent me a few of their products. So far, I tried out the Miracle 7-in-1 Primer, and I've been loving it. I've been using it every day. So if you want to see my review on that, I will have that video linked down below. But so this Bye Bye Shine powder, it says, fine lines, wrinkles, and pores optically fade as skin is visibly smooth. This translucent powder infused with satin spherical particles that absorb oil and eliminate shine and are invisible on the skin. It's ideal for all skin tones and skin types. So right now I already have my base makeup on. So I have my foundation and my concealer, but you can see that I definitely have some shine to my skin. So I chose the AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream to use as my foundation today. And this, I really like it. It's only $1, but it is beautiful on the skin. But it definitely does have that more shiny finish. So if you want to see my review on this AOA Studio BB Cream, I will also have that video linked down below. But so today is such a hot day. It's like 100 degrees out today, and I'm going to watch my boyfriend's band play outside tonight. So I think that this is going to be the perfect product for what I'm going to have to be dealing with today. So right now, I do just want to tone down the shine just because I kind of prefer more of a matte finish on my skin, but I'm also going to keep this with me as I go out tonight to touch up my skin if my skin does get shiny again. So I will put in the description box down below my wear test and how this worked as a touch-up powder. But for now, let's see how it does as a setting powder. All right, so here it is. Oh, nice packaging. You get a mirror. It's a pressed powder and it says Emani on it. Oh, and you even get a little puff. Cute, perfect for travel. So I really like this packaging. This is going to be great for when I bring it with me tonight because I wasn't sure if it was going to have any sort of applicator or mirror. But this is like a big mirror. This is perfect for touching up on the go. But so this retails for $34. But if you use my discount code, which is Christy20, you'll get 20% off your entire purchase, which brings the price of this down to $27.20. Whenever I use pressed powders, I just use my Real Technique sponge. So that's what I'm going to use today to test out the product. That way I'm really just testing the product and not maybe having the applicator change how it actually performs. So just going in with my sponge here, I'm just going to tap it into the product, pick up some of it, and let's see, I'm going to start out setting my whole face. Also, something about this BB cream is that I can see some texture on my cheeks of the large pores, so let's see if this powder covers that up. Ooh, yeah. And it's definitely doing a good job of mattifying the skin. So here, I'll just do it on one half of my face to start so that we can compare. And then I also always need to set my concealer, so I'm just going to do that same technique to set the concealer because I have lines under my eyes that love to make the concealer crease. Wow. Okay, look at that difference. This side has the powder versus this side, that is such a difference. It really is bye-bye shine, like all that shine, bye-bye shine. I love the finish of my makeup on this side. It's definitely been mattified, but in a very comfortable, non-drying type of way. Like there is no cakiness or powder texture to my skin. It's just completely smoothed out, shine free. This is really doing exactly what I wanted it to. Let's just finish off the rest of my face. It really is just so easy to apply, so quick. And I do really like how it's looking on my pores. It is helping to smooth out the appearance of them. Okay, there we have it. That was so quick to apply, and I just feel like it perfected the finish and the texture on my skin. What's very impressive to me about this is that I have powder all over my skin, but it doesn't look like it. It still has such a natural texture, but it also still has a healthy radiance to my skin. So there's a bit of glow, but there's no shine or shimmer in the powder causing that glow. So I just love how my skin is looking. I feel like it looks so healthy. And so I really hope that my skin stays looking like this all day long. But in this heat and humidity that I'm about to be in, it's very likely that my skin is going to get sweaty and greasy. But I am really interested to see how this will last and how my makeup will look under those conditions since I set it with this powder. But also I'm going to see how this powder does at touching my makeup up if I get greasy or sweaty at all. So definitely check out the description box for my update on that. I am just so impressed with the Emani cosmetics that I've tried so far. Both of the products that I've tried are my new favorites of those types of categories. So it's been my new favorite primer. This is going to be my new setting powder that I use every day. I honestly just yesterday was looking online at pressed powders when I was doing a little makeup haul, and I didn't even end up buying one just because I didn't see any that I really wanted, but now I have this one. It's like perfect timing. And so let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this powder or if you plan to. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.